We are at 6407 South Leclaire Avenue.
We are performing our first attempt at repair. We are using the roofing snake that is recommended by the insurance. I will now proceed to take out this shingle. In order for me to take out this shingle, I must take out the 2 shingles above it. Reason for it is because it is nailed onto the shingle and onto the deck. I will now proceed as careful as possible. As you can see, major granule is falling off. Shingle right here tore, and this shingle has been ripped through. As you can see, it's lifted. So far is one, and the shingle below it got lifted. As you can see, so many granulates are falling off. So many granulates just off me touching it. Look, as you can see, as soon as I start touching it, granulates fall off. Major granulates, and right here has been compromised impact. Right here, there's another minor cut, and as you can see, all these are just completely lifted. If you look closer, there's another one right here and another one right there. So I just want to point out, there's lots of granules falling off everywhere. Major granule loss. Again, another. You can see right there, and major granule loss all over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 so far. 9 points of impact so far. And right here, as you can see, it pierced right through the shingle. Right there. And then another minor one right here. I'm being really gentle. But as you can see, there are just too many points of impact. Major granular loss everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. This attempt to repair has failed. I will no longer proceed.